It's so easy to forget the basics of selling. We all do it sometimes. So here's a reminder of what's absolutely essential to cover in a sales presentation. The following are 5 questions that all potential purchasers want answers to, whether they're consciously aware of these or not. So make sure you cover them all. The first one is, what is it you do? Be precise and tailor your information to the challenges and opportunities you've identified your prospects have and that you can help them overcome and exploit. 2, who else do you do it for? Ideally, have some high-profile clients you can mention and some well-known and more local businesses they may be familiar with. 3, how do you do it? This is where case studies come into play. Prospects love to hear stories of how what you do has worked for other companies in a similar situation. 4, why do you do it? Now's the time to get passionate. Tell them your raison d'etre, why you do what you do and how proud you are of what you can help your customers achieve. Get emotional. People buy emotions. 5, what makes you different to and or better than your competition? Hopefully you have a USP, but of course in the competitive world we live in, it's difficult to have a totally unique product or service. So it's important to know about your competition, their strengths and weaknesses, and how you stack up against them. And at the end of the day, it might just be your passion for what you do and how you do it that will be the deciding factor. Be prepared to cover all of these with confidence, clarity and professionally, and you will make many more sales.